banger, banger daily market news analysis. So, without any further ado, let's bring the actions. Type your coins below, and we will go over these charts and these price predictions. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Let's go. Here we 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 go. Let's make sure that everything is good. Everything is good. All right, type your coins below for price predictions. Bam. And then we will pin this comment. Boom. Bam. There we go. All right, how we looking on the screen here? Let me go over to this. Looking good and crispy. All right, so let's go over some of the coins here. What were some of the ones that I had? Actually, let me look. Cause I know you guys have been commenting, and I appreciate all of your comments. XRP XLM. All right, let's get into that. Let's roll right into it. XRP XLM. We'll do both of them. XRP, by the way, is my biggest bag by a wide margin. Now, we've had some nice price action on XRP, and you love to see it. You really do. But at the end of the day, we're still just ranging here on XRP. We are, in fact, just ranging on XRP. So, let's see here. Now, I think that we are definitely getting bullish. We are now having support on top of, the 200-day moving average. Everything is in full bullish posture for XRP. What you would like to see is this red on top of the blue. So this would be the 20 on top of the 200 for XRP. And that is full on bullish posture. Good night, Charlene. If we can have that, that would be phenomenal. Okay. So that's the next thing that I'm looking. But we are getting back tests here and support on this 200-day moving average. So that is definitely a strong indication. Now, the next point that I'm looking through is if we can break through this 55 cents, things are looking very, very good in my opinion. Now, the next point beyond that, you're looking at the 236 at 95 cents on XRP. I will probably take a little bit of profit there, maybe 10% at just under $1, because everyone's like, oh, $1. $1 is such a nice, clean number. So guess what? That's where everyone wants to take profit. So guess what? The market makers will take profit before then. So that's what I will be doing, is moving like a whale. Okay, you don't have to have whale money to move like a whale. Now, beyond that, you're looking at 156, 150 is the next point beyond that. But I believe if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $2.65 for XRP. But I personally think XRP will be going well above $13. Now, I'm personally going to take the majority of my profits at $6-7, and I will be taking profit all along the way up for XRP. The max, I know there's a lot of 589, 35,000, 50,000. The buybacks, bro. The buybacks. I know there's all this stuff, but based on the charts and the Fibonacci's, the max for 2025 for XRP is $15. So I'll personally be taking most of my profit at $7 on XRP, and XRP is my biggest bag. I love XRP. I think it has the most real fundamentals, but this idea of 50,000 XRP is a fallacy. Next, let's go right into XLM. XLM is currently battling the 100-day moving average here, getting rejected off of it. So still just ranging on XLM. What you want to see is it to get above this 100-day moving average at about 11.6 cents and then start getting support. Let this resistance turn into support. That would be good for XLM. And the next move to the upside is going to be right here at 13 cents, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in reality, that's a quick play of 15%. And I could definitely see that work out pretty quickly. Now, beyond that, at the 236, you're looking at 20 cents. If XLM just wants to retrace, you're looking at 56 cents. And in 2025, my price prediction for XLM, $2.79. That is where I will take the majority of my bag. The absolute max for XLM is $3.29 in my opinion, based off of the charts. I don't care. I did not, like, people have this crazy thing that's like, if they hold the coin and you think that, if you say that it's not going to go to where they think, they get insulted as though they created the damn thing. It's like, bro, you did not create this coin. Why are you so emotional about someone else's price prediction? Don't be emotional. Emotional is not how you make money in crypto. So I'm just straight off what the charts are saying, okay? And I could be wrong, and that's fine. But I'm not going to be emotional about it either way, okay? Let's take a look. Comment down below your coins that you want me to look at. I know Luna Classic was another one, and man, this is crazy. Luna Classic is just purely dead, and this is going to consolidate for a long time. I don't think that there is any chance on this one. This one's even like hard to even, this one's hard to even. Dot broke the resistance of 7.15. All right, let's take a look at Dot. I'll just real quick throw out my maximum price prediction on Luna Classic because I already did this. The max on Luna Classic, you're looking at 1 penny. That would be the max. Okay, most likely you're looking at 0.30% of 1 penny, somewhere in there. Let's look at Dot. Let's look at Dot. I think I have another Dot in here as well. Boom. All right. Yeah, I did. The resistance. Well, it kind of wicked through it, but it didn't, like, what you want to see on this. It did wick through it, which is great, but what you want to see, and we're still, we don't have a daily close yet, but what you would want to see would be a daily body close. See, the body is just right here at 7, but you really want the body to be at 718, 720, really. If you get a body close, then I would consider that a breaking through the resistance. But still, at this point, I don't know if I would consider that breaking yet. It definitely looks like it wants to, and the 20 is about to cross the 50. The 20-day is about to cross the 50. It's definitely getting in bullish territory, but it could reject off of this. Like, it's not out of the question to wick above it, body line, get rejected off of it, come back test this right now, the 20 and 50 at 650, and then try to work its way out of there again. But if it does, it looks strong, but I wouldn't say it has broken through just yet. It could definitely reject off of this for sure. But if it does break through, start building support, the next upside target is $9.50 up to all this cluster of trading here, and as well as the 200-day moving average. And from that, I mean, you're looking at 35%. So I wouldn't say it's broke through yet. It looks promising. It looks good, but it's fighting it right now. This is not, you want to see a full body close above here. Like, let me give you an example of where it broke through. Okay, so like right here. So we haven't broke through actually the 100-day. It's been a minute. All right, so basically what we're seeing is kind of like this right here, this point right here. We haven't broke through the 200 in a long time. I just moved it, damn it. All right, so what we're seeing, we're basically at this point right here. Like, it wicked above it, but it didn't break through. So what you want to see is like this. You want to see a full body above this 100-day. That would be ideal, in my opinion. So we're just wicking above it right now. Could it break through? Absolutely. It certainly could. But it could definitely reject, come back, back test this 20 and 50. This is about to cross the upside. What you want to see is this 20 on top of the 100, and then really ideally on top of the 200. When the 20 is on top of all of them, that's full bullish territory. And like right here was the last time it even got close. It did not happen. The last time it actually crossed all of them was right here. And then look at this parabolic rise after that. So it crossed the 20, it crossed the 50, it crossed the 100, and it crossed the 200. And then from that cross, my light just died. From that cross, it rose over 168%. Not very long amount of time either. So that would be like full bullish. Yeah, in 100 days it rose almost 200%. That would be full bullish territory. And the time before that it did it was back here as well. Back here. And then that sort of signaled the bull run. Just crazy. This was really just a back test on the 7-0. The parabolic rise, crash, retrace. That's what that was. So, yeah, but I see DOT. Where do I see DOT going in 2025? I think I did DOT last time. $161 for DOT. Somewhere in that range. Yeah, my light died. That sucks. All right, what else? What other coins? Let's see here. Terra Luna, I did that one. Let's see here. LCX. Trying to find some of these comments. I should have organized it better. How about Zilliqa DGB? Let's do that. DGB is Digibyte, I think. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Will she break through the 100-day moving average? Will she get rejected off the 200? Find out more this. Where the hell is it? I need to. There we go. DGB. All right. So, yeah. See how, like, this is basically the same thing that DOT is doing right now. And this is what I could see, like, happening for sure. Like, very similar setup, actually. Like, super similar. But this just looks like it's slightly ahead. See how the 20 is very close to the 200. So similar. And then you have a huge wick above it, but not a body close. Same thing, wick above, but not a body close. And then what happened? It got rejected off of this 100-day and now is back testing this 20-day. So that's literally how I see DOT playing out. And it'll probably come back and back test this 1 cent range. And then beyond that, you're looking at the 1.3 cents. I see DGB in 2025. It could go, if it just wants to retrace, you're looking at 10 cents. And if she wants to go absolutely stupid and break out, 58 cents on DGB, in my opinion. All right, what was the other one? What was the other one? I forget. Zilliqa. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Zilliqa. Same thing on Zilliqa. Rejection off of this. Things are getting consolidated. Things are getting tight. Things are getting exciting, but not quite ready. We're definitely due for a retracement on the entire market. Next upside for Zilliqa, you're looking at 42 cents. That could play out in the next couple of months, you know, for sure. I would take profit here at the 236 as well, 8 cents. I would take profit at the 11-cent mark. And the 702, the 618 is 16 cents, so I would definitely take profit there. Now, if it wants to go absolutely stupid in 2025, you're looking at 83 cents. And the absolute max, like you better get ready to sell the farm, is 98 cents. It will not reach $1, in my opinion. Too many people will be waiting for this thing to go to $1, so you need to sell before them. The market makers are going to be selling probably at 88 cents. Yeah. That's how that would play out. 92, 88 cents. That's about as high as it'll probably go. Let me know. Comment down your coins. And I think VeChain was another one. I like VeChain. But yeah, I will take, if you guys are watching this live stream right now, if you comment down your coins, you will obviously take priority. So if you want me to review your coins, give you my price predictions, go ahead, comment them down below. But right now we're looking at VeChain, currently at 2.6 cents. In my opinion, not financial advice, but VeChain is a great coin to be dollar cost averaging, stacking into. Let's see here. Whoops. Did we break above this? So yeah, we're getting body closes. This is good. On VeChain, we're getting body closes above this 100-day moving average. What you want to start seeing is building. It'll probably consolidate here, build some support, trade sideways for a bit. But when this 20 gets on the 100, the next upside for VeChain, you're looking at 3.2 cents, and this could play out in the next weeks, months. Very short, 27% to the upside on VeChain. And then beyond that, the 236, I would definitely take profit here at 7.9 cents. And the 702, 618, 702, you're looking at 17 cents. I would take profit there. And if VeChain wants to go absolutely crazy in 2025, which I think it will, you're looking at 96 cents. Again, everyone's going to be waiting on $1. And the dollar's not coming. Everyone was waiting on 100K Bitcoin, and guess what? It didn't come. Everyone was waiting on a $1 Dogecoin, and guess what? It didn't come. What everyone is going to be waiting on, it's not coming. Everyone's waiting on $10,000 Bitcoin. Guess what? I'm pretty sure the bottom is in. Okay? When everyone's screaming at the top of their lungs, it's going here, it's going there, guess what? It never does. It never does. So that's where I see VeChain playing out. About 88 cents is where I'll be taking most, if not all, the majority of profits on VeChain. What else? What else? What was some of the other ones? Let me look. And if you guys want to comment down, go ahead, comment them down. VGX. Oh, this is, I don't know about this one. Because VGX, isn't that Voyager? Yeah, this is Voyager. This is, I wouldn't touch Voyager with a 10-foot pole, to be honest. Like, their name is absolutely tarnished. I'll just give you the 618 on Voyager real quick. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one because I wouldn't touch it. I would not. I would stay clear. The max for this one for me is going to be retracing to $3. That's it. That is the max. but I would stay clear. I would just be looking to de-risk if you already have a position in here, but I would not accumulate none of this. Kronos. I like Kronos. Kronos is good. See, the thing about Kronos is with these exchanges, you're not only betting on the coin, the network, but you're also betting on the exchange, which are, in my opinion, are the new age banks. So you're basically betting on a up and coming rising Chase Bank or Bank of America or whatever. And that's basically what this is. Like, think about it. When was the last time you actually went into your bank? I'll wait, because it's probably been a damn minute. And if you went in, it was probably a one-off thing, and before that, it was like, God, I can't even remember. And that's what that is. And that's why when I tell you that these are the new age banks, because like Kronos, not only does it have cryptocurrency, but you have US dollar on there. You have the debit card that you can use. You have even other currencies that you can buy. So, yeah, years for me too. And that's what I'm saying. So people have this idea like, oh, banks will be here. It's like, maybe. Maybe, bro. I don't know. Seems like they're kind of like horse and buggy to me. Might be a little bit biased. So Kronos in the short term, you want to see a body close. Again, wicks don't count. Wicks are kind of like a fake out. It's like a little juke, you know. So you want to see a full body close, daily close, above this 12.54 cents. A full body close above that. And that would be excellent news. If not, there's a good chance. It looks like it's losing a bit of strength here to me. It could break out. I would love to see it. You know, it's been beaten down. I hold Kronos myself. But it's likely going to get rejected off of this. Back test this right here. The 20 and the 50 at 11 cents. And then probably try one more time. Build a little bit of support. This will probably play out in the next couple of months. It's going to reject off of this, back test, come above it, and then back test, build a little bit of support, and then try up for the 200-day moving average. That's how I sort of see it playing out in the next couple of months. And then for that, you'd be looking at this cluster of trading right here at 16 cents. Now beyond that, whoops, you're looking at 30 cents at the 236, and then if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 62 cents. But in 2025, she could go as high as $3.25. Now, I personally would take profit at the I would take profit at the 236 at 28 cents. I would take it at 41 cents. I would take it at the 618 at 62 cents. I would take it at the all-time high of 95 cents. And I would take it at the 1618 at $1.49, and so on. Take profit every single way, because these points right here are like, they're big rejection points. And even if it's not the all-time high, and like how these things play out, even if it has more steam, like, let's say this thing is going to, in the next couple of months, break through this 200. Okay? Like, let's say it breaks through the 100. Like, how it would play out is, even if this isn't the all-time high, it breaks through here, back test, right? Comes up, it's probably going to get rejected off this the first time. Then it's going to come back and back test. It'll probably be right here, the 100-day. And then it would work its way again. So you're going to have more opportunities to accumulate. So that's why I'm a big proponent of taking profit at every single one of these levels, because it's going to get rejected. Like, it doesn't just blow through it. Especially the 702 is like the one where it's like, if it breaks through the 702, okay, this is big. But if it's true, like, if you don't sell, you don't lose, well, guess what? If you don't sell, you don't win either. So you can't have one without the other. So take profits every level. Dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. But I like Chronos. That's where I see Chronos going. $3.23. $3.23 for Chronos. I like Chronos. I do like me some Chronos. What else? We'll do one more. We'll do one more coin, and then I might come on later tonight. My problem is that I got in a year ago, and I must wait. Well, you can wait, or, my friend, if you believe in it. So a year ago, right? Let's look at the price. So let's go deeper on this one, huh? So a year ago, what are you looking at? You bought it at the all-time high. November. I'm assuming like a year on the day, right? So like literally pretty much the all-time high. Do you believe in Chronos long term? If that's the answer, I do. I can't make that decision for you. My average is 28 cents. That's really not that bad. That's the 236 in my opinion. A good place to de-risk, but you know, it's gonna test that for sure at some point. Even if it doesn't make new all-time highs, it's definitely gonna test the 236. And you're looking at 150% to the upside on that. So in my opinion, not financial advice, do your own research, but if you believe in this project long term, this is a great place to accumulate. And just $10 a week, $20 a week, $100 a week, whatever it is for you. But I would be buying every single week regardless of the price. So you can offset your cost of 28 cents. You can bring that down and you can make a good profit along the way. So if you accumulate, you know, $100 or $200 or $1,000, whatever it is, you can double up your money, pull out all of your initial investment of the 236, and then you have stuff to just ride all the way up. That's how I would play it if I was in your situation, but I'm not you and I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I would do. I hold for a year without selling, just adding. Yeah, see, the more you add, the more you're going to bring your price down, and the more it's going to be in the green for you. So you could definitely double up. Like I said, from here to here, it's definitely going to test this point to the 236 of your average cost. And you're looking at 140% to the upside. You know, that's doubling your money for sure. So you could definitely accumulate more and then just take out a good chunk right here of your initial, de-risk a huge percentage of especially your new accumulated down here. And so you're basically playing with house money at that point, and you could ride the rest up with house money. That's what I'm doing, what you just said. That's what I would be doing. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Take profit at 35 cents. 35 cents is not likely. Well, I mean, it's likely to happen, but it's likely to get rejected off the 236 here around 30 cents. So for me, I would take, if I was underwater, I would accumulate down here, take a good bit at 28 cents, 29 cents, let it reject off there and accumulate more once it rejects off there. Because even if it goes to the 702, it's going to reject off of each level. Like you'll see that. See like how it fought here at the 0.5, it rejected off the 0.5, came back tested, rejected again. Each level it rejects. Like it's wicking above the 618, but really the body's rejected off the 618, came back to the 236. So even if it goes up higher, which it will, in my opinion, it's going to reject off this level. So that's a good place to de-risk and then accumulate more when it rejects off of there. But I would advocate getting your initial out always, and then just letting the letting your moon bag ride as long as you want it to ride until it's life-changing money. But my camera is going off here, so that's going to be it for this time. I might come on later. I'll definitely be on TikTok later. I'm going to grab a cup of coffee, take a little break. So if you're not following me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on there. I'm your boy Ski. So I'm going to take a little break, and there you go. My camera is off. I'm going to take a little break, take a little coffee break, and I will be live streaming on TikTok in about 30 minutes from now. But that is it for this time. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on here.